Well, the man accused in the shooting death of Wolfson High School student Jordan Davis has pleaded not guilty to first-degree murder. Michael Dunn appeared in court this morning.
Police say he shot the teenager after a dispute over loud music at a Southside gas station the day after Thanksgiving. First Coast News' Heather Crawford joins us now. And Heather, Davis's family faced Dunn for the first time today.
That's right, Jeannie. This was the first time that they've actually seen him in person, and Jordan's mother described it as surreal. She says she's seen Michael Dunn over and over again on television, but when she saw him this morning just a few feet from where she sat, she says she went numb. Michael Dunn walked handcuffed into a Duval County Circuit courtroom expressionless, charged with first-degree murder, 3 counts of attempted first-degree murder, and shooting into an occupied vehicle. He entered a not guilty plea. Standing by his side, his new attorney, Corey Strolla.
He's in as good spirits as you can be, knowing you're charged with first-degree murder for defending yourself and believing that somebody's trying to kill you. The evidence will show, and we believe we're going to show, that these gentlemen in the car not only gave verbal threats of death, but were attempting to get out of the car to attack Mr. Dunn, and that's when he fired the shot.
I asked this question.
Strolla says he believes the evidence will show the red SUV Jordan Davis and his friends were in left the scene and then came back. Police say the teens were not armed.
When they pled not guilty, it was just like a big slap in the face. And the only thing I remember saying to myself again is, how could you? You know, how could you?
Dunn's attorney says he is not ruling out a stand-your-ground defense.
If the facts fit the law, if they do, and I research it, and that's a viable defense and an ethical defense, then I'm going to vigorously pursue that on behalf of Michael Dunn, just like I'd pursue on anybody in this country. We have rights in this state, we have rights in this country, and if the law protects a citizen, then that's the law we're going to use.
The arraignment was brief. Dunn was in and out of the courtroom in less than 5 minutes. But for Davis's parents, it was emotional. Ron Davis says he was disappointed Dunn did not make eye contact with him.
You know, I think my body language, my face would have told him a lot that he may not have known. You know, it's one thing to read about something, but to be face to face with someone's parent who raised him, who held him, who brought him into this world, you get a sense of feeling if you make that eye contact, you know, and I wanted him to feel that.
Jordan's parents say they will leave it up to a jury to decide what justice is, but they will not seek the death penalty. Dunn's attorney says it will come down to character and credibility. He says Dunn is a law-abiding citizen and has never been involved in an action like this before, and a pretrial hearing is set for February 6th.
And Jordan's parents are on quite a mission themselves. They're working about gun laws, and they're worried about that. They've been talking about that since the beginning.
They have. They say they have become activists as a result of this. They are now on a mission to repeal stand-your-ground laws all across the nation. And tonight at 11, hear more from them on what they are doing to try and make that happen.
All right. Thanks so much, Heather. Shannon.